Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Kimball here. I am in my classroom. Today is 4/6 of 2020. Um, First of all, I want to start with saying thank you to all of you for your patience. Even today, it is almost 1 o'clock when I'm recording this specific message. And I want to say thank you to all of you. I know last week I spent a little bit of time telling everyone that, hey, I'm going to be ignoring a lot of people for a few days because my son was he got married on Saturday. So last week, my wife and I spent a lot of time cleaning and getting prepared because we became not only the host of everything because everything was in our house, but we also became the caterer, the decorator, photographer. I mean, pretty much everything. We were the all inclusive. So our focus last week was primarily on our son's wedding and making it the best that it could possibly be under the circumstances. So thank you for your patience. And I did send out an email earlier this morning telling you that I'm going to be spending a little bit of time this morning going through all of the information, specifically this document here, so I can kind of understand what Mr. Braden sent out and what our expectations are moving forward. So I want to talk you through this document real quickly. Um, Setting my headphones down. I apologize for that. So fourth quarter grades, from what I understand, is we're basically being asked to put in one grade per week, and it is a participation grade worth 10 points. Now, how we define that participation grade is left to individual teachers, and it will go into a category that will count for the fourth quarter grade. Once that quarter is done, so for seniors, that is 5 weeks. For freshmen listening to this video, that is 7 weeks. Once your quarter is done, then there's going to be an additional calculation whether you pass and receive a grade for fourth quarter or you receive a no credit, which means you did not do enough work to justify moving you on to the next grade. So for seniors, you need to be very careful making sure that you stay on top of your work, make sure you communicate with me, make sure that you get work turned into me, whether that is digital or if you have to make hard copies, handwritten assignments, whatever, and get that turned into the school throughout the week. That's perfectly fine. But we are not in the same expectation we were during that first 2 weeks of this shelter in place lockdown. So I need everyone to understand that this is different. This is new. This is fresh. It is different. It is not the same as the 2 week material that was given out to you as far as the expectations given out to you on March 16th. Students, you do have to do work, period. You have to do work to receive credit for fourth quarter. That's the biggest thing you all need to understand. You have to do work and receive credit for the fourth quarter. If you choose to do nothing, you will not pass. You will not be moved on to the next grade. You will not graduate. You must do work. I hope you hear that in my voice, and I know I'm saying it over and over and over, but I need you to understand that, okay? Seniors, your last day is officially May 8th. As far as this standard, this procedure, May 8th is what you're looking at. You have 5 weeks, and I'm sending out individual, per grade level. I'm sending out some videos here in just a few minutes where I will explain fully what your expectations are for the rest of your time with me. There will be some changes, everyone. There will be some changes to the gradebook. You'll see some different categories put in there. The 10 points per week, you'll see that. There will be some changes to what was previously posted. So there might be some old assignments that may disappear or numbers will change. Um, just make sure that over the next couple of days you give me a little bit of leniency so I can make sure all those things are current and accurate. But know that there will be some changes in the current grade book and the way that it looks even today. So bear with me. Thank you for your patience on all of that. Bottom line is do work. Stay on top of your material. Make sure that you are current with your communication. Remind, email students. Make sure that you are checking Google Classroom frequently. A lot of the assignments are just going to continue on. I'm just manipulating them a little differently to fit the expectations that are being told to us. Okay? So with that, I'm going to let this video kind of fade out, and then I will start making some videos specific to your class content so you know exactly what's expected from you from here on out. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later.